message in your WhatsApp, in my WhatsApp, that how we can apply value engineering, value analysis for a new manufacturing company, right?
No, for existing.
What is the exact question?
An existing factory, motor factory, he wants to do a value analysis to see if there are any savings that he can do to make it more efficient.
So that is for a manufacturing application, right?
Yes.
So if it is manufacturing, then we need to see the stage by stage process of a motor, how it is getting assembled, how it is getting manufactured, starting from the raw material purchase from various suppliers. So this motor is going to have rotor, stator, coil, windings, housings. So the particular motor company would have got the material from different suppliers, and starting from the raw material in, they can also do value study for the individual parts also, and so that they can reduce the cost of the raw material either by changing the supplier or doing some material change or some design optimization. Um, and they can look at a supplier, and they can also reduce some transportation costs, logistic costs, supply chain management costs. And once they reduce that the incoming raw material cost or the material cost, then they can look at the stage by stage of operation, how it is getting assembled, how it is getting manufactured. So they can try to see how they can reduce the manufacturing cost. So, for example, going for reducing the manpower or increasing the automation, or uh, reducing the automation and using the manual operation. How we can reduce the quality defects, and how the manufacturer can look for increasing the cycle time, reducing the cycle time, increasing the productivity. So those optimization he can do with respect to the process point of view, and after that he can also see how he can deliver to the customer with lesser cost, by reducing the transportation cost or logistic cost. Um, by this way, the manufacturing cost will be reduced, the raw material cost will also be reduced, and also the overall cost can be reduced. So this is a very good way. And on the other hand, if uh, if the particular manufacturer is going to reduce the breakdown time during the operation, even that also will increase the productivity, and that also will help to reduce the manufacturing cost. So we can also concentrate on the maintenance of the equipments, overall equipment effectiveness, and quality defects should be free, and increasing the cycle time, increasing the productivity, reducing the cycle time. So all this will help him to achieve uh, the lesser cost, so that he can increase the value for the customer with respect to the manufacturing point of view for the motor plant.
Okay. So now let's say, for example, a value study has to be made for this. The team that you are going to make will be, they should be at least having manufacturing background, right?
Um, the teams is, again, this is going to be the cross-functional team. It's not only manufacturing, even design, development, testing, purchase, sourcing, even the marketing team, and apart from, in addition to that, manufacturing team, or the process team, operations team, quality team can be there. But it's not just manufacturing knowledge alone is required, because if you do not have the purchase team or a costing team, you cannot understand what is the cost involved for the raw material. And if you do not have the sourcing team, you cannot source the material from the supplier, and purchase teams is also required for you to get aligned with your supplier. So it's very important that all the cross-functional team members should be there in addition to the manufacturing team, and design team should also be there because if you do some design optimization, design team, analysis team, and testing team also should be there. Development team should be there, and even the marketing team. So you being the manufacturer, so you are going to sell this motor to some of the companies who are going to use it, or it can be an OEM, or it can be your uh, business B2B or B2C. It can be the business to business or business to customer. So your client can be anything, but at the end of the day, you also need to convince your customer that you are going to improve the value to the particular motor assembly. For that, you need to have the marketing team as well. Very important that you're going to form a very good hybrid knowledge of or a mixed knowledge of uh, um, all the verticals in addition to the manufacturing knowledge.
Mhm.